Hey guys, here Omar with ABC Austin Service Express, and we did a 2-system change out here, brand new construction. So we'll show you really quick. Here's the 1 unit. See all the ductwork back there, the drain pan, installation on the drain line. See it there. We see the float switches. One right here, and the other one in here. So we pour Clorox. Pour Clorox in there, keep it nice and clean. All this is insulated. So we come to the other one, see all the ductwork, return, ductwork for the other one in here. We're missing one. We're gonna put that one on here in a few minutes. But here's the other system. Same thing. You got one of the flow switches right here. And you have the other one right there. P-trap, insulated for condensation. And off it goes that way. So call us for all your air conditioning, heating, refrigeration, and plumbing needs. 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay? Commercial and residential. New installations, change outs, everything. Okay? See you guys in the next video. All right, bye-bye.